in today's video, we're breaking down GoHighLevel Voice AI and how to get it set up so your agent can answer phone calls and book appointments for you. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever missed calls or felt overwhelmed answering the same questions over and over, or wished your business could respond instantly without you being glued to your phone, this is going to be such a game changer to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know what GoHighLevel's Voice AI actually is, how it works behind the scenes, and what it can realistically handle, and how to get that set up. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to start off with the basics with GoHighLevel. So if you aren't familiar, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed for businesses that need marketing, automation, CRM, and communication tools in one place. It's really commonly used by agencies, service providers, coaches, or even local businesses. Voice AI is a feature inside GoHighLevel that allows you to use artificial intelligence to answer incoming phone calls. Instead of calls going to voicemail or ringing endlessly, the AI agent can pick up, respond naturally, ask questions, and take actions like booking appointments. The voice AI is designed to have conversational interactions, follow scripts or logic that you defined, and then, of course, since in GoHighLevel, it can connect directly to your calendar and CRM. The goal is not to replace human interaction entirely, but to handle first touch conversations efficiently and consistently. Let's talk about some key features. So the AI-powered call answering. The core feature is automated call answering using their AI. When someone calls your business number, the voice AI can answer immediately. This reduces missed calls and just gives callers instant engagement. Even outside of business hours, calls don't go unanswered. Instant response builds trust and increases the chance that a caller stays engaged instead of hanging up. Natural conversation flow. So GoHighLevel's voice AI is designed to sound conversational rather than robotic. It follows structured prompts but adapts based on caller responses as well. This helps the interaction feel more human and less scripted. The goal is not to pretend that this is a real person, but to actually provide value to incoming calls at any hour of the day. But clear communication really does matter. Appointment booking integration. So one of the most valuable features is direct appointment booking. The AI can check availability and book appointments directly into your calendar. This removes friction for potential clients. They don't have to wait for a callback or follow up with an email. Appointments are logged inside GoHighLevel automatically, which is so powerful. CRM data capture is what we're going to talk about next. So during calls, the AI can collect information like name, phone number, reason for calling, and preferences. This data is saved into the GoHighLevel CRM, so you have context before any follow-up. Instead of vague voicemails, you get structured information that you can actually act on. Custom scripts and logic is next. The great thing is you have control on how the AI behaves. You can define what it says, what question it asks, and how it responds to different situations. This keeps messaging aligned with your business and avoids confusing. You're not handing control to the AI, you're just getting everything set up so it can flow naturally. Call routing and escalation. So if needed, the AI can also route calls to a human or trigger follow-up actions. This is useful for complex situations or high priority callers. The AI acts as a first filter, not a dead end. Let's talk about what voice AI is best used for. So voice AI works best for handling repetitive or predictive call flows. This includes booking appointments, answering common questions, and capturing lead details. It's especially useful for service businesses where calls are frequent and often super similar. It's definitely not meant to handle emotional, complex, or sensitive conversations that obviously requires human judgment. Understanding where it fits is just going to help set realistic expectations. Okay, now let's go ahead and set the voice AI up inside GoHighLevel. If you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can go ahead and use our link down below and you can get access to an extended 30-day free trial rather than the normal 14. You're going to enter in your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. And then when you go to step 2, you will have to enter in your credit card information, but they won't charge you until the 30 days is up. So just make sure you set a reminder in your phone or on your calendar on day 28 or 29. Okay, now this is what GoHighLevel looks like. We've got our dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, and so much more. If you don't already have a booking calendar set up, you can easily come in here and do it. You'll go to calendars, you'll click new, then you can, maybe it's a sales call, so that could be a specific calendar. Again, maybe this is sales call with Ash. Okay, you can go ahead and assign a specific team member. Okay, and then you can do custom dates if you want. So we're actually going to come into calendar settings. You go ahead and click new calendar if you would like. It can be a personal booking, so one-to-one. So maybe this is sales call Ash. Okay, then sales call Ash, booking calendar, amazing, 30 minutes, maybe it's longer, whatever it may be. We can go ahead and click confirm. Okay, and then we're just gonna copy this in case we need it. Now we're gonna go ahead and navigate to AI agents. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Voice AI. So we'll go ahead and create an agent. Okay, so you can create an agent name. Maybe this is Sales Agent 1. Okay, maybe you'll type in the business name. So Marketing Agent 18. We'll go ahead and save that. Then we've got the language. Okay, we've also got time zone we can put in there. And depending on what model you'd like to use, you can go ahead and select one. We'll just leave that for now. And then the AI's initial message can be, hey, you've reached Marketing Agency 18. How can I help you today? Okay, that's the name of our business. Amazing. We'll go ahead and click next. Now select the knowledge base. Create a knowledge base. This will be sales knowledge base. You can create. Now you'll want to add your sources, etc. Now back to our agent list. Okay, so you can select the knowledge base. And then you can go ahead and select what you need. Maybe you want to click name and email address, trigger workflow, and then we can go ahead and click save. So maybe we'll go ahead and create a workflow afterwards where we can have the AI. So maybe for the automation, we'll go ahead and trigger a workflow to conversation AI trigger. We'll go ahead and set the workflow up after, but then we've got phone and availability. So you can go ahead and add the number, and then the dashboards and logs will be here. Okay, so now what we can do is trigger the automation to send the call book. Okay, so we can go ahead and have a workflow. After the call is over, they can go ahead and enable a workflow to get the call booked. So after you've set up the AI agent, we also need to define the AI's role. So common roles include booking appointments, qualifying leads, or answering basic questions. This decision shapes the conversation flow. Then you're going to create conversation prompts. So write simple prompts that guide how the AI speaks. This can include greetings, questions, and responses. Just make sure you keep language clear and natural. The AI works best with straightforward instructions. Then you'll go ahead and connect your calendar. So link the AI to your booking calendar inside GoHighLevel. Set availability rules so appointments are booked correctly. This ensures that the AI only schedules valid time slots. And lastly, you want to go ahead and test your workflow. Call the number, test different scenarios, listen to how the AI responds, and adjust prompts if needing. Testing is just going to help catch confusion before real callers experience it. Now let's talk about how this compares to traditional call handling. So traditional call handling relies on human beings being available at the right time. Voice AI removes time dependency. Calls are answered instantly, consistently, and without fatigue. The trade-off is flexibility. AI follows rules while humans can improvise. For many businesses, consistency beats availability gaps though. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. So one mistake is overcomplicating scripts. Simple flows perform better than complex conversations. Another mistake is expecting the AI to handle everything. Define clear limits. Some businesses also forget to test calls before going live, which just leads to awkward first impressions. Treat setup as an evolving process. Now, some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of using voice AI is responsiveness. Calls are answered instantly without relying on staff availability. Another benefit is consistency. The AI delivers the same experiences every single time, which just reduces errors and missed opportunities. Now, on the downside, setup requires thought. You need to define prompts clearly to avoid any confusion. Another consideration is that AI conversations are best kept focused. Complex conversations still need humans. But for first touch engagement, the benefits usually outweigh the limitations. Let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so they've got a couple different options here. We've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. The Starter is $97 a month and you get everything. You get all tools, you get to nurture and close leads, full online booking, pipeline, and social calendar, and then unlimited contacts and users. You also can set up to 3 sub accounts. Then we've got the Unlimited, which is everything in the Starter, but you also get unlimited sub accounts, API access, and a branded desktop app. And lastly is the SaaS Pro. So this is $497 a month. With this, you get everything in the unlimited plan, but you also get SaaS mode, and then rebilling is enabled as as well. Okay, so choose the plan that best fits your needs wherever you are in your business. If your business relies on inbound calls and appointment booking, GoHighLevel Voice AI is definitely worth exploring. It's a great fit for service providers, agencies, and local businesses that want faster response times without hiring more staff. If your calls are highly emotional or complex, AI may only serve as a support tool rather than a replacement. This works best when you want efficiency and structure. Now, I just wanted to touch on a few bonus tips. So first off, start simple. One clear goal for the AI works better than trying to do everything at once. Booking appointments or capturing lead details is a really strong starting point. Write prompts the way people actually talk. Short sentences and clear questions improve understanding and flow. Also, review call logs regularly. Listen to the real interactions is going to help you refine scripts and improve outcomes over time. Set clear expectations internally. Let the team know what the AI handles and when humans do step in. Also, don't aim for perfection on day one. Voice AI improves through iteration, not just a one-time setup. And finally, remember that speed matters. Answered calls convert better than missed calls, even if the first conversation is handled by AI. I know how frustrating it can feel to miss calls or just juggle conversations while trying to run a business, but tools like GoHighLevel are designed to give you breathing room while still capturing opportunities. If you want to check out GoHighLevel, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments and questions below. This channel is dedicated to helping you use AI tools in a simple, practical way so you can work smarter and build faster. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.